G-Teck Organic Fish Protein Fertilizer. 100% organic boost growth, sustainable farming. Elevate your harvests with G-Teck Fish Protein Fertilizer, a natural powerhouse for crops and soil. Enriched with fish protein, amino acids, and oligopeptides, it strengthens plants, reduces flower drop, and enhances yield. Perfect for fruits, vegetables, and cash crops. Key features: organic matter is greater than or equal to 70%. NPK 1522 or 1211. pH 6 to 7. Water solubility is greater than or equal to 99%. Fast-acting and eco-friendly. Our G-Teck fish protein improves soil health, replaces synthetic chemicals, and ensures rapid nutrient. Grow smarter, grow greener. Flexible use. Foliar spray, 1 to 2,000 3,000. Drip irrigation, 1 to 1,000 3,000. Seed treatment, 0.5 grams per kilogram. Adapt to your farming needs. Use for foliar sprays, irrigation, or seed prep. Maximize fruit quality and uniformity effortlessly. 36-month shelf life. Eco packaging. 1 kilogram to 600 kilograms options available. G-Teck supports sustainable agriculture better for your crops and the planet. We care. For more information, please feel free to contact us. info@gteck.net